What we saw, what really surprised me was YouTube drives actions. We've seen the direct impact on our lead generation and application completion rates directly attributable to additional investment in YouTube is something that really surprised me from the beginning. And it's gotten us to a point where we're 30 to 40% better on a monthly basis over prior year. There's no way we could imagine even beginning on that work without our partnership with Level.
It's allowed us to really push the boundaries of what AI can do to support creative ideation and creative testing in platforms like YouTube. Level and AIM are on the forefront of what AI makes possible in digital marketing. And we're so thankful to have partners like YouTube that give us the most exciting, visually rich, audience-rich sandbox in the world to play with.